Very good afternoon from Goa in India. This is North Goa. A beautiful hot day again. Into the 30s, I think, temperature wise. We're currently on around 32, 33, somewhere around about that. We ended the last video around this area here, round about here. So we're going to continue on. The sea is so warm, so warm. Hey? What? Calangute Beach. The sea temperature is very, very warm. You alright, Shell? So the shacks over there we've covered. We'll continue with Paolo Candido's beach shack, which actually currently looks closed. Maybe. Flamingo beach shack is next to that one. That is definitely open. Yeah, I mean, we're currently March 2026. I have mentioned in other videos, the main season here is November, December, January, February. But those months do get busy. And even though we've spoken to some of the locals. I've had businesses here. Pebbles Beach Cafe, it's there, it's quite nice. Yeah, we're talking to some of the local hotel owners and shack owners and bar owners and things. The main season, November, December, January, February, there is a slight increase in prices, but it's still cheap, if that makes sense. We're here in March. The season runs throughout March, but a lot of the main crowds have gone, even though it's busy. When I say busy, it's not shoulder run, but it's, you see there, I mean, there's quite a few people on the beach. Beach runs quite a way as well. Looks quite busy up here. I don't know what's going on, but
in the main beach.
Once you get into April, a lot of these shacks close. A lot of the hotels and bars and restaurants close as well. Some remain open, but there's no guarantee. The reason why I chose March for, it's Shell's birthday month, so love rock. Yeah, March at Shell. You flip-flop me, fell over. Fell off even. It's the month that we take Shell away for our birthday. I thought, well, March is a good month to come here, because the main crowds have gone. Some good prices, some good deals around for flights and accommodation. Food and drink prices are here are really, really cheap. And the weather's guaranteed as well. Once it gets into April, May, everything starts to shut down anyway, and then the weather changes. Sort of May, June, I think that's the start of the monsoon season. I mean, you can still travel these places, but is obviously less open and you've got less choice of accommodation. Cafe Calangute Beach Shack is just there. This is a busy little spot here. Look at the shack there, I can't quite see what it's called yet. Watch where you're walking as well, because there's dog poo. There are stray dogs, and you will find there stray cows that wander around as well. Perfectly natural. Quite busy there, as you can see. And a shell diver. We've got some shacks here. The one I can see there is Cafe Calangute Beach Shack. The ones next door, I can't quite see any names to them. Quite busy there, that little bit there. These boats here, Sea Escape. Oh, waves have got some life in them, haven't they? The guy there pushing the boat out, he just dropped the motor, firing the engine up. There's another wave coming in, hang on son. Oh, he's lifted the bag up again. He mustn't be out deep enough yet. Over there you got Sousa Lobo restaurant and bar. We had dinner last night in the shack. It's a bit further along, it's maybe about another let's see, what, 10 minutes walk, probably not even that actually, along that way. Chelsea Beach Shack. We talked to the owner, Augustin, lovely guy. He was chatting to us for a while. Had food there, really good prices. I mean, the food and the beer prices on the beachfront, I will say it's still cheap, but it's a bit more than what you pay in the streets. Just to give you an example, I know I keep talking about beer, but in the back streets, well the main sort of touristy streets, you're talking a large beer, 650ml Kingfisher. Average you'll pay is about 170 Indian rupee, which is roughly about £1.20. Some of the bars 150, 140 for the same size. Down here you're talking 200, which is still cheap, I suppose. You know, a 650ml beer, which is a big beer, bigger than a pint, and that comes in, by the time you convert it to British pounds, it's around 175, 180. So you kind of complain with that, can you, when you're beachfront? Beers over here start from as little as, we've been informed, 60 pence. But what I've found out is the 60 pence beers are the smaller ones, so 330ml bottles. Not everybody wants a big drink, some people just want a small beer. So what looks like Lobo's Palm. restaurant. You got multi-cuisine restaurant and bar, karaoke, live music. Shells just said if you go up them steps there, that's Calangute Beach Road.
Yeah, that's it, the roundabout.
Yeah.
Very nice down there.
Yeah.
That's like your main beach road.
Yeah. Ocean Beach Shack. You see, you're not short on choices for pit stops.
And that's the main beach.
You got the lifeguards. There's lifeguards maybe every 100 metres or so, dotted all over. They keep an eye on you. Yeah, it's quite a loud party area this on a night time.
All lit up, really.
All lit up. Loud music. And the areas you go to, some of the Indian people have the music dead loud, I mean really loud. Yeah, all about, I mentioned Chelsea's Beach Shack along there that way. They're a little bit more relaxed, quieter, chilled out. Music playing, but just nice, light background music. We're playing like chill out music in the restaurant last night. Cafe GOA Beach Shack, Lovers Corner Beach Shack, free Wi-Fi, dance floor. Hello sir, you alright? Yeah, fine.
You alright, mate?
Alright mate. How's it going? What's your name?
Surya
Surya.
from Nepal.
Yeah.
Nice
Peace.
to meet you.
Pete.
I'll come back along.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll come back along and see you later. Yeah.
See you later, Surya. Enjoy your day.
Yes, Henry. It's Christmas. Anh em lúc này. Anh em lúc một vô. Anh em lúc này. Anh em thì sang mà lúc đó. Rồi không mà mặc hết sao thằng số vậy. Anh làm cái đó không tiền.
Sea King Beach Shack.
Nước vô không có nào. Nước vô không có nào.
Not sunbed you want?
Sorry?
Free sunbed all day and Wi-Fi working here, all available.
Okay.
Some
Yeah.
All day.
here and tea, coffee,
Right.
something like this. Very coffee. never seen there.
Nó cái mùa kia nó mùa.
Yeah. See you later.
Then take that for free.
So this is kind of the end of, let's call it the busy bit. I don't know what the shop ministry was. Is it Candle and Beach? I keep forgetting now. Ciao. 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 Shell's supposed to be in. What's that I'm looking for? What's the word now? Information. I took some getting out. Shell's head of information detailing of videos. Anyway, we've ended the busy bit. There's a gap here. People sunbathing. Further back, Beach Queen Bar and Restaurant. A few boats there. We'll move further along in a bit. And then this one here, the end of the creek area. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button. And we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye for now.